Hello, my name is Julius Misango, founder Agritech Africa, provider of climate smart solution. As you can see here, we're doing a commercial digester for lodges and hotels. As we all know that in lodges and hotels, they produce a huge amount of organic waste. So that organic waste, we are using it in biogas digester to produce energy for use in the kitchen. They cook using biogas. At the same time, at the outlet of the biogas, there's a liquid called bioslurry. By the use of organic bioslurry from the biogas digesters, you can produce your own food in all lodges and hotels. You can plant your beans or lettuce or tomatoes here, or anything to be used again in the same hotels and lodges. The system is used to manage the waste, organic waste that are coming from hotels and lodges to avoid being dumped on the dump site. This is an insulated pressure cooker, as you can see, fitted with a biogas burner down here. So to lit it, you switch it on like that. Then you use your match. As you can see, the flame is blue here. Then you push this under the insulated pressure cooker. And then, you give it few hours to cook. This is used for cooking a lot of meals and heavy meals, things that are very difficult to cook. Hotels and lodges, hot water is very essential, and this is the connection for pipe. So when you switch it on there, as you can see, the blue flame inside there, and then there, the water is hot. You can make it steam if you want. Yeah, and this is enough for taking a shower. Thank you.